Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a VPN on router using NordVPN app, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your router supports VPN connections. Check the router's settings for compatibility with OpenVPN. If your router isn't compatible, consider flashing firmware such as DDWRT or Tomato. Next, log in to your router's administrative interface. Open a web browser and enter your router's IP address. Enter your username and password to access the settings. Locate the VPN section in your router's menu. Choose the option to add a new VPN client. Now, open the NordVPN website to access the configuration files. Log into your NordVPN account and navigate to the Downloads section. Find and download the OpenVPN configuration files. Unzip the downloaded file to extract the contents. Inside the unzipped folder, locate the .open files based on your preferred server location. Return to your router's VPN settings. Upload or copy the relevant .open file into the designated area. Fill in the required fields for username and password from your NordVPN account. Adjust any additional settings, such as encryption and protocol, if necessary. Save the configuration and reboot the router to apply changes. After rebooting, check the VPN section again to confirm the connection status. You should see an indicator showing that the VPN is connected. Now, test your VPN connection by checking your IP address online. Ensure it reflects the server location you selected during setup. Your router is now authorized to use the NordVPN service. Enjoy secure and private browsing across all devices connected to your network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.